In this video, I will discuss engine lubrication. In that, first I will discuss what is lubrication, then purpose of lubrication, function of lubrication, and types of lubrication system. In types of lubrication system, I will discuss in detail about mist lubrication system.
So first, what is lubrication? The lubrication is the flow of oil between two meeting surface having relative motion. So it will be providing flow of oil between two surface. Okay, so that's how it reduce the friction. So main function of lubrication system is reduce the friction, but also it do other secondary function also. So purpose of lubrication system, it lubricate reduce friction by creating thin film clearness between moving the part. So here the oil will be provided that will be create the film, so friction going to reduce. It also act as a seal. The oil help from the seal between piston rings and the cylinder to reduce blow by. So blow by is loss of the your combustion gases into the crankcase that not produce the power. So that blow by it will decrease. Internal oil leak blow by will result in blue smoke at the tailpipe. It is also produce the blue smoke. It cleans, okay, as it circulate through the engine. Oil pick up metal particle and carbon and bring them back down the pan. So the below part in pan it will be moving inside and it will also take with the particle different matter particles. So it will clean the different part also. It cools also, pick up heat when moving through the engine and then drops into the cooler oil pan, giving up some of this heat. So it is a liquid oil, okay, which have a higher density. So it also some absorb the heat also from the different part of the engine. Absorb the shock. When heavy loads are imposed on the bearing, the oil help to cushion the load. So liquid we have a with high density, so it absorbs some amount of shock also. Absorb contaminants. The additives in the oil help in absorbing the contaminants that enter the lubrication system. So overall function of lubrication system, the main function to reduce the wear between the rubbing and bearing surface. Secondary function are to work as a coolant also, to work as a cleaner, to form a good seal, and it is also reduce the noise. There is a no lubrication system will be provided due to the dry surface noise will be create more, but it will be going to reduce your noise. Okay, now types of lubrication system. In that there are the mainly three types of lubrication system: mist lubrication system, weight sump lubrication system, and dry sump lubrication system. Weight sump also divided in three parts: splash lubrication system, semi pressure lubrication system, and full pressure lubrication system. So this all lubrication system we understand with the next sketch in detail. Okay, first one, mist lubrication system. It is used where crankcase lubrication is not suitable. So in crankcase we cannot supply the oil. It will create problem. At that time, mist lubrication system should be used. In two-stroke engine, as the charge is compressed in the crankcase. So in two-stroke, charge is directly going to first crankcase, then cylinder. So it is not possible to have lubrication oil in the sump. Hence, the mist lubrication system is used in practice. So in two-stroke, we cannot supply oil in the crankcase. That part is called sump. Okay. So in the two-stroke, for two-stroke, we are using mist lubrication system. The lubrication oil is mixed with the fuel, the usual ratio being 2% to 5%. So here we cannot separately supply the oil, so we are going to mix oil with the fuel. Oil and fuel mixture is inducted through the carburetor. Fuel is vaporized and the oil in the form of mist goes via the crankcase into the cylinder. So it is called mist lubrication system. The oil which strikes the crankcase walls lubricate the main part and connecting rod of bearing, and the rest of oil lubricate the piston ring and the cylinder. So it is used in two-stroke engine. So this is a two-stroke engine. From carburetor, the air and fuel will be supplied. Okay. Now fuel will be going to evaporator. The in connecting road and different part, it will be strike and the stick in the form of the mist. So different part that will be lubricated. Okay. So this is the mist lubrication system for two-stroke engine. Okay. Now nowadays two-stroke is very less. It will be used. Now advantages and disadvantages. Simplicity will be there. Low cost as does not require an oil pump filter. It is directly going with from carburetor. Okay, so no extra power required from the pump. Disadvantages are many more. So it is not used. Cause heavy exhaust smoke due to burning of lubricating oil. Form a deposit on a piston crown and exhaust port, which affect engine efficiency. Require a through mixing for effective lubrication. This require either separate mixing prior to use or use of additive to give the oil good mixing characteristics. During closed throttle operation, as the case of vehicle moving down, when vehicle moving down, throttle will be closed, so the engine suffer from insufficient lubrication. So there is a fuel is not going to supply, so with the fuel the lubrication also not going to supply. So as the supply of fuel is less, this is an important limitation of this system.
Thank you for watching. In next video, I will discuss the weight lubrication system in detail, so stay tuned.